Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasils District uba Vivek's aim ulayathu uba ki Pulit kila shimkhya ban Chargesheet Pyrshah yo Kennedy Khongsit Hapoh khandai posni la ban kdo uba ki Pulit kila kem yo Kennedy Khongsit halor ka jingkno don kti ban Pyniap yo hybrid na nongra lomrbo bat ya ka kanthai na laujin reo no thamai habakran chikla pathai kubor uba Vivek ulayathu bahaduk menta u Kennedy udan Hapoh judicial custody but anyai beteng bandan ka custody tar hadu banadab Chargesheet uba Vivek ulayathu ba unong sha kano u Kennedy ula phla yaki company Briew but ulayalam ban peniru yaki Pulit yaki jaka ba ulale yaki diki kambaman menta udan ha judicial custody but ha ka jing to okit ula phla yaki ni ki company Briew nalor ba ulayalam shiki jaka ba ulale yaki kambaman laong USP ulapan dikena bagi Pulit kin Chargesheet Pyrshah yu Kennedy Hapoh khandai posni habaro artli ki case Pyniap Briew.
He is in judicial custody and remand will continue till we charge sheet the case.
So he confessed to the crime and
he has admitted the crime. He has shown us how the crime was committed also.
So according to the video while he was speaking to the court, okay, like he doesn't show any sense of remorse. He looked actually, he was behaving casually. Is he mentally stable?
You know, his mental assessment has been done of the accused. He is mentally stable.
sir, how soon will the police charge it?
Before 90 days, we'll charge sheet both the cases.
You